Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grammarian Bhai, and today let's solve test paper 8 of class 10 from Total English book. So you go through by the question number 1, 2 and 3. Let me directly begin from the question number 4. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. So question number 4 deals with the comprehension. So you go through by the passage. Let me provide you the solution directly. So first one, here you have to find out the correct word meaning from the given options. So first, cordially, which means graciously, so option C is correct. Second, apathetic, which means uninterested, so option A is correct. Second, which word in the passage means the opposite of the word rejection, so here option B, approval. Next, answer the following questions briefly in your own words. So the first question is, how did Father Yakov make the most unpleasant impression on Kunin? So the answer will be, Father Yakov made the most unpleasant impression on Kunin with his looks and behavior. He was short-statured, had a narrow chest and red perspiring face. When he met Kunin, he coughed into his fist and sat in an easy way on the edge of the chair with his hands on his knees. Second question, what did Kunin write about Father Yakov to his bishop? So the answer will be, Kunin wrote to the bishop that Father Yakov was not well educated, lacked self-control, and failed to come up to the level of a priest as expected by the people of Russia. Next, who was Father Avrami? Why did he need financial support? So the answer will be, Father Avrami was Father Jacob's predecessor. He needed financial support as he was dismissed from service because of his failing health. Number D, what were Kunin's feelings after the departure of the priest? So the answer will be, after the departure of the priest, Kunin felt ashamed of himself for being too quick to judge the priest. Next, number E, why was Kunin filled with shame when he recalled the letter he had sent to the bishop? So the answer will be, as Father Yakov left Kunin's place, Kunin felt ashamed of himself for having written against Father Yakov without knowing him. He was filled with remorse at having squandered his father's money. When a person like Father Yakov, with his meagre income, was helping others. Next, number 4, here you have to write not more than 50 words, and here you have to summarize Kunin's feeling towards Father Yakov in the beginning and at the end of the story. So the answer will be, when Kunin met Father Yakov for the first time, he had the most unpleasant impression of him. He found in his behavior lack of dignity and self-control and insufficient education. He failed to measure up to the expectations of people from a priest. But at the end of the story, Kunin found him to be a compassionate and selfless man. Next, question number 5. Here you have to read the passage and fill the blanks with the correct word given in the bracket. So first one will be decided, second getting, third found, fourth took, fifth asked, sixth buying, seventh brought, and eighth gave. Next question, fill in the blank with the appropriate words. So the first one, she was deaf to his request. His parents were not pleased by his result. There is a bridge over the river. We long for peace. The players are supposed to abide by the rules. This is the man I told you about. The bus is running on time. Let us divide the property between two of us. Next, question number 3. Here you have to select the correct options. So the first one, the match began in the midst of a storm. The match was abundant. So here option B is correct. The match was abundant as it began in the midst of a storm. Second, there was a theft. The man has been caught. So here option C is correct. The man who committed the theft has been caught. Number 3, the monsoon may break soon, otherwise there will be water scarcity. So here option D is correct. If the monsoon does not break soon, there will be water scarcity. Number 4, Akhil is studying French and German. He has never been abroad. So here option A is correct. Although Akhil has never been abroad, he is studying French and German. Number 4, again here you have to select the correct options. So the first one, we considered him a very bright boy. So here option D is correct. He is considered to be a very bright boy. Second, he took every care yet he died. So here option B is correct. In spite of taking every care, he died. Number 3, I cannot lend you more than 3,000, the manager said. So here option B is correct. The manager said that he could not lend him more than 3,000. Next, number 4, it would be sensible to take him to hospital before he collapses. So here option A is correct. We had better take him to the hospital before he collapses. Number 5, Sita said, what a pretty flower this is. So here option C is correct. Sita said that was a pretty flower. Number 6, to sleep under a tree at night is not advisable. So here option B is correct. It is not advisable to sleep under a tree at night. Number 7, to answer all the questions in the examination is prudent. So here option C is correct. It is prudent to answer all the questions in the examination. And the last one, only my uncle came to see me. So here option B is correct. None but my uncle came to see me. And if you find the video is helpful to you, please subscribe the channel and like the video.